Number 11 says $600 is borrowed. The amount owed after 9 months is $654. Find the simple interest rate. Now, there's actually two different ways to do this, and I want to show both ways. So let's first define our variables. I'm looking for R. My present value is 600. My future value is 654. And my time is 9/12. And I want to use the A formula. So A is equal to P times 1 plus R times T. And I want to plug in that information. So 654 is equal to 600 times 1 plus R times 9/12. I want to distribute the 600, and that's going to get me 600 plus, if you take 600 times 9/12 on your calculator, you get 450. So it's 450 times R. Then I want to subtract 600 from both sides and get 54 is equal to 450 times R, and then just divide both sides by 450, and we find that R is equal to 0.12, but then we need to express this as a percent. So this would be 12%. The second way of doing this problem is to use the I formula. So I is equal to P times R times T. So I'm going to define my variables again. So I'm looking for R. I know P is equal to 600. My interest is equal to my future value minus my present value, because I know if I end up with 654 and I started with 600, then that is $54 of interest, and T is equal to 9/12. So if I plug those into the formula, 54 is equal to 600 times R times 9/12. Then I want to multiply the 600 times the 9/12. And we get 54 is equal to 450 times R. Now this should be looking very similar at this point to the first method, and we are going to get the same thing. So R is equal to 0.12, which is 12%. So these are the two methods, and you don't need to do both methods. You just need to pick your favorite method.